Beau here, and welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about travel, talk about lifestyle, talk about travel hacks, talk about life hacks. Welcome. And today I'm going to unveil the three big announcements that I have coming up.
All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Number one, I have a website now. On that website I have blog posts, I have other things such as the About Me page, I have companies that I've worked with. It's basically my resume. So if any of you guys want me to sponsor your products or whatever, look at my website, check out who I've worked with, and shoot me an email. Number two, I am currently packing for my next big trip right here. And as soon as I get done with this, I will show you what I'm actually packing and where I'm going. Number three, I just finished up a documentary series on my dad biking from Sublette, Kansas all the way to Emporia. And if you don't know how far that is, that's like 370 miles. 370 miles he bicycled in 43 hours, which is incredible. I got the first one, I got the first one video, the second one video, third one video, and the fourth video I'm planning on finishing up tomorrow morning. And let's get to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what is actually in my bag. And I don't have any of my bathroom stuff in here, but one thing I always do is I pack all my clothes. So all the clothes I'm even going to wear on the airplane, I stick in the bag. Because if everything fits in the bag, that means I have plenty of space. And I am packing actually just a bit heavy for this trip. I'm actually going to Costa Rica tomorrow. So yeah, I'm cutting it a little tight. Number one, my raincoat. I'm not really going to unfold things just because I don't have to fold everything back up. Up here, I have two button-up shirts. I have this one, and I have this one. They're very comfortable. And the great thing about button-up shirts is you can wear them wherever. You can wear them whenever you are out on a boat. You can wear them whenever you're out on the town. They're very great for just making you not get sunburned. And I wear long sleeve shirts more than I wear short sleeve shirts whenever I travel. Okay, next are my shorts. So I'm bringing 3 pairs of cargo shorts. And I like cargo shorts just because I don't actually use these back pockets at all. But over here, these actually zip up. So if you're in a crowd, you have zipped up cargo shorts. I know cargo shorts aren't in style, and a lot of people say you shouldn't wear cargo shorts because they aren't in style, but hey, they zip up and my stuff's safe in them. So I got 3 pairs of cargo shorts and 2 swim trunks. They're in the back of this bag though. Got 2 pairs of swim trunks. I was only going to bring one, but we got some comments on my video whenever I was in the Philippines. They're like, Beau, you keep on wearing the same clothes. I'm like, that's because I only have like 5 pairs of clothes. So I actually brought 2 pairs of swim trunks. The next is I have 2 tank tops in here and 7 pairs of underwear. I'm going to be in Costa Rica. I think it's either 10 days or 2 weeks. I can't remember which. But I'm going to do laundry at some point there. I know we have a free day and I know there's plenty of places to do laundry. So I'm going to do laundry. Next, I have 4 short sleeve shirts, which I actually will sleep in a short sleeve shirt. So one of these are my sleeping shirts. And I have 1 long sleeve like boat shirt in here. I absolutely love these shirts, and the best thing about it is the hood. So if you're out on a boat or whatever and your neck always gets burnt so bad, I just go ahead and put on my hood, and it saves me a little bit of sunscreen, and I don't get burnt nearly as bad. I'm gonna get burnt no matter what, though. If you're going to the tropics, it just happens. Next, socks. Bringing 5 pairs of socks, and I probably don't even need 5, but I'm gonna wear one of these on the plane. Remember, I'm gonna be wearing one of those shirts on the plane. I'm gonna be wearing one of these sweatshirts I pull out on the plane. I'm gonna be wearing a pair of pants on the plane. So a lot of the stuff I'm actually gonna be wearing on the plane, because I actually am gonna wear a lot of layers going there. I have my water bag. And here I have a beach towel. I just threw it in here though, just so I had something to put it in. That's kind of a pro tip. I will actually bring my water bag to the beach, but my towel always gets sandy, always gets wet. Bring something to put your towel in that's inside your water bag. Next, we have 1 pair of jeans. Then we have another pair of jeans. Remember, I am wearing one of these on the plane, so technically I'm only packing 1 pair of jeans. A pair of khaki pants. They're just Columbia khaki pants. I bought them just a couple days ago, but they're actually the zip-off ones. And I know those aren't in style either. I know people are going to make fun of me, but you know what? I'm going to be comfortable, so I really don't care. Then this last deal, and well, I guess there's a couple more things in here, but right here is, I have 2 sweaters. And I brought in one of these I'm going to be wearing on the plane. The other one's just one to keep fresh, because I know we're going to go night hiking one night and stuff like that. So I know it's going to be chilly. I know they're going to come in handy. And 2 more long sleeve shirts, like just the UPF ones, like UPF 50, so you don't get sunburnt. And I am bringing probably an extra one of those, but you know, I have the room, and since I'm a priority on American, or however you say it, I think I'm a gold member, I get 2 free check bags. I'm only bringing 1, but I have plenty of room in this check bag. Then I have my sandals. I'm bringing sandals for this trip, and then I'm also bringing my pair of like athletic workout shoes. So I won't actually bring 2 pairs of shoes. Sometimes I bring 2 pairs of shoes and sandals. This trip I'm just bringing one pair of shoes and sandals. If I ruin my pair of shoes, I'll just go buy a new pair whenever I get back, I guess. And a laundry bag. Don't forget your laundry bag. It keeps your stuff away from everything. What else is in here? I just got this thing packed up, so now I gotta repack it up. Okay, so I got bottles of whiskey. And that is because I will have to take photos. I guess this is all vodka. Vodka and 1 bottle of whiskey. I will have to take photos for Boot Hill while I'm there, so I need to pack up that. A little medical kit, Band-Aids, Neosporin. I wasn't even going to throw that in, but like I said, I have room. This is a big, big hack. Plastic bags. You can never bring enough freezer bags. Because I even, when I'm out on a boat or something, or if I'm out kayaking and there's a chance I'm going to flip over, I bring this out, but all my camera gear, like my G7X, even my big Sony camera, like if I know I cannot get it wet, there's a chance that it's going to flip over, I would much rather double sack it and put it, or put it in a sack and then put it in this. So if this does get submerged, yes, it's going to keep water out, but I just want to know in the back of my mind that everything's safe. So plastic bags are a big, big deal. Plus, if you have stinky, stinky clothes, you can throw them in a gallon-sized Ziploc baggie. Make sure they're freezer bags so they're sealed up very, very nice. But yeah, and it will make it so your stuff doesn't stink all throughout your bag. Next thing I'm bringing is Thieves cough drops. I know I don't have a cough or anything right now, but they have thieves in them, which is actually very, very, very good for you. Plus, it'll kind of clear out your system, so hopefully I won't get the virus or corona while I'm there. So, got 2 packages of these for the plane. I got my medicine, got some NyQuil, got some Dayquil, got some nasal decongestant. I just had all this still packed up from the Philippines, so I tossed it in here. I'm not bringing any of my snorkel on this trip. I'm not bringing my dive goggles. I thought about it because I know we'll be out snorkeling and stuff, I think 1 or 2 days, but I was like, yeah, they'll have stuff I can rent there. So unless if I get all packed up and have extra room, I'm probably not going to bring that stuff. Next bag, we have more Thieves Mints. Or these are Thieves Mint style. I have some fabric softener. I have laundry sheets where you actually put these sheets in like not your bathtub but in your sink, and you can wash your underwear or whatever. So if you run short on clothes, and I got some wet wipes and stuff like that in here too. Just random stuff I had. And last but not least, the front pocket. First off, I have an extra bag. Sandals will fit in here. If your sandals get sandy, or if anything gets sandy, these bags work great for even your swimsuit and stuff, like whenever they're wet. And those gallon Ziploc baggies work great. Got great, like if you jump out of the water and you gotta be on the bus in an hour. Well, your swimsuit's not gonna have time to dry out. Throw it in a baggie. Go on to your next place. Let it dry out at the next place, but you don't want to get the whole bag wet, so throw it in a baggie. Then I got my sunscreen. I'm bringing way too much sunscreen, but I'm going on a trip with 30 people. I know somebody's gonna forget sunscreen, so I brought plenty. I brought two little things, and I brought my SPF 50 that I'll probably put on previous to leaving the hotel. And then I even brought bug spray. I always carry bug spray. I've used it just a handful of times, so I don't know. Maybe I must just not be sweet enough for bugs, but yeah, so that's basically what I'm bringing. Other than my toiletries, like I just bring my normal stuff though, because no matter where you are in the world, you can find shampoo, you can find toothbrushes. So if you forget some of your toiletries, not a big deal. Don't stress it. So I'm basically packing the exact same for this trip as I did for the Philippines. So if that gives you any inclination, I think that's a word. But yeah, if I'm packing for a 2-week trip, I pack the exact same if I'm packing for a 4-month trip. So yeah, that is all I have for today. At some point, I'm going to show you what's in my camera bag, because I'm also bringing that on the plane. But I'm not done packing it yet. Like I said, I leave tomorrow, so I got to get going. I gotta get packed up really, really quick. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Beau out.
It's Dominic the donkey. Clickety clack, we stop. It's Dominic the donkey.